The next way is to start with a plan, and what this will do is generate all of the slides for a single lesson. So here in the lesson details, we can give it a title. We'll say lesson demo. If we wanted AI to write it for us, we can just delete that. We're going to not pick any of these because we're not going to use those. Now we can choose our colors. You can click whatever main 3 colors you would like your slide presentation to have. We can give it some information about what kind of lesson we'd like to create. Create a lesson on the biggest difference between AI in the early 2000s and now. If you had a document that was maybe, say, a document that had a good amount of information about a lesson you wanted to upload, you can do that, and that's going to give the AI additional context for generating the slides. If you want it to word for word say what your document says on it, you can click verbatim. I typically tend to leave that off. So now I'm going to click, we're just going to make a short lesson here, and we'll go ahead and have it generate a thumbnail image. So we'll hit generate plan, and it's going to give us 5 different prompts for our lesson. So content, prompt, and then the layout. So all of that information for the AI to generate the slides is going to be there. I'll come down to the bottom. I'll give it AI fill the title, and now it's going to let me create the lesson. From rules to reasoning, the evolution of AI. It's going to take a minute to generate that thumbnail and then generate the lesson slides. So just give it a second. And once it's done, it's going to bring us into the editor itself. So similar to how our manual one works, we can see every one of the slides that was generated. And then from here, we would just edit like we did before manually. We can add a new slide. So now it's not 5, it's 6. And save, and then go back. And let's go ahead, see it's generated us a thumbnail. I'm going to make it live. I'm going to add it to our feed.